I just wanted to, good morning, I just wanted to start off the day with this shot of a beautiful little canal. And a little while ago we had some ducks here too. I really just wanted to post here I am. I really just wanted to post more of a question today. The book that Brian and I wrote is called Reflections on Healing and Finding Purpose. So finding purpose, what does that really mean? Now, that was a thing that became very, very important to Brian, especially the last, after he found out about his cancer diagnosis at the end. And he was always, he lived for his music. I mean, he wrote music, he lived music. And he always wanted to be able to live off the music as well. But he wasn't able to, so I mean, he was working as a teacher as well as a singer, songwriter, teacher, which he loved because he got to inspire other people to find their purpose and to find their voice and, you know, how to write. And so, and in the end, he sort of realized that, wow, maybe just me being a songwriter, you know, becoming a famous songwriter, maybe that was not my purpose here in this life. And he came to realize that his purpose was to inspire other people to find their purpose. And he became so passionate about it. And that was so important for him, to inspire others to find their life purpose. And I do believe that we all come down here for a purpose. I think we have many purposes, but there's like this just one purpose that really makes your heart beat a little bit more extra. And he definitely found his. I have found mine too. And I'm just wondering, what's your life purpose? Have you found yours? Are you still looking? How do we know what a life purpose is? And yeah, so I'm just really throwing out a few questions today about that, while I'm just sitting here and chilling out for a while before I'm going back to work. Wishing you a wonderful day, and face your fears and live your purpose. Bye.